Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from BigCommerce to your US checking account. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the store setup section on the left sidebar. Click on Payments. Find the Payouts option within the Payments section. Review your current payout settings. Ensure they are set to your preferred payment processor. If you haven't set up a payment processor, select one now. Common choices are PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfers. After selecting a payment method, enter the required bank account information. Make sure to input your US checking account details accurately. This includes your account number and routing number. Once you confirm your information, save the changes. Head back to the Payments section. Locate the Payout Schedule settings. Choose your preferred payout frequency. Options typically include daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. If your sales have cleared for withdrawal, you will see available balance notifications. Go to the Transactions tab to review recent sales and payouts. Check for any pending transactions that may affect your balance. When ready, select Withdraw Funds or a similar option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to your checking account. Double-check the withdrawal amount for accuracy. Click Confirm Withdrawal to initiate the process. Monitor your email for confirmation of the withdrawal request. Allow a few business days for the funds to appear in your account. Contact customer support if you encounter any issues during the process. Keep records of your transactions for your financial tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.